Hi everyone. Today we are launching a very special batch for placements, especially for those students who want to crack companies like TCS, WIPRO, Infosys, Accenture, and so on. So without further delay, let me just go to the announcement. There's this batch which we are calling as Python placements batch. What does this mean? It means that we are basically just starting a batch to teach you Python, but from a placements angle. So this batch is starting from 12th July 2021, and complete beginners can join. So if you don't know any line of coding at all, from whichever branch you are from, you could be from ECE branch, EEE branch, mechanical, civil, all branches are fine. CSE branches also, obviously all the branches are fine, and we are starting from the very basics of Python in this batch. The link to apply is in the description below, and I'll just show you. I'll open that link and show all of you that. The instructor is me personally, Aneeq. I'm ex-IIIT Hyderabad. I've taught thousands of students. You can go ahead and check out this YouTube channel of ours, Edyst, where we have thousands and thousands of students who benefited from our tutorials on Infosys, TCS, WIPRO, Accenture, and all of these companies. We are going to cover all the major companies previously asked questions in this batch. And not only are we going to do the programming concepts, but you will get the coverage of all of these companies questions also. So we'll teach you the concepts, we'll do a lot of coding questions, and then once we're done with the Python programming, we'll then see how that applies to all of the previously asked questions of these companies. Some other things that you can really look forward to is the fact that we're covering all the important concepts. There are going to be 12 live sessions, so it's not just recorded videos and lectures. You'll actually get live sessions where you interact with us, you can interact with me, you can ask your doubts, you can ask any student of Edyst. We have a lot of doubt clearing sessions, and I take up all the time, and I solve the doubts of different students. If you don't want to just ask in the live sessions, you can always watch out for mentor support. So we have mentors online during the day and the evening, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. to ask for you to ask any questions of them, and you can ask any questions and get your doubt clear. Not only that, we will have company specific mock tests for all of the major services companies. And we have a lot of question bank of the previous year's questions, in the sense that we know what are the level of questions that companies ask, we know what are the types of questions companies ask. We have made a lot of questions looking at those as well. So if you are going into this whole placement time where you don't know how to prepare, you've not really done that much programming before, this is the ideal course where we start right from the basics and go all the way till the actual advanced things, and then also take up the previously asked questions. There are only limited seats, so if you are someone who's thinking about it, please do join. We want to keep it limited seats so that we do not dilute the experience, and that as many people like the limited set of people who are there get our full attention. So that's why we're keeping limited seats over here. And finally, this is the schedule of the course. This is also available on the website, but I'll just share it here as well. So it's combination of Mondays and Saturdays. Monday we'll have it only in the evening, and Saturday we'll have it in the afternoon. So this is keeping in mind that maybe some of you have academics schedules and so on, so you can take this up. Overall 12 classes. We'll start right with the beginning of things like basic data types, printing, operators, functions, and so on. These are just to get you accustomed to Python programming, and then slowly but surely we'll start building the logic. So we'll spend a lot of time in lists, loops, important algorithms. In other sessions and in other classes, a lot of people just spend like 1 hour on these concepts. We spend 4 to 5 sessions. That means like up to 8 to 10 hours on these concepts, because these are the concepts that were major of or majority of the syllabus for your coding rounds that are there. And your OP, stacks, queues, linked list, trees, all of these will be the MCQ questions that you're most likely to get in any services companies around. So again, we're spending a lot of time, we're going into a lot of depth and detail so that you understand. And for those of you who've really not worked, or who really not got coding beforehand, this is a good chance to actually pick up coding and all of the things. So I'll just show you how you can apply to this course. And again, it's not only just these classes, these are the classes, but as and when a company is coming, let's say TCS NQT is coming, let's say Infosys is doing a hiring drive, we will do some special sessions on them, just so that you will know how to actually solve those questions also. So if you go to the link in the description below, I'll just tell you. So again, as I mentioned, there's a link in the description below to join this course. If you go to that link, this is what opens up for you. This is the page that will open up for you. And once you open this page, you just have to click this try one free module. The moment I click this, it will open up the actual page. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so I'm already logged into Edyst, so it didn't ask me anything, but for you, it's going to ask you your details and all of that. And there's obviously also a cost attached to it. So you can pay that cost and get access to all the 12 live classes, all of the, so you can see your company's preparation. We have, excuse me, we have all of the previously asked questions of different companies, and as and when the different companies come, so for example TCS shows up, we will add the questions of TCS over here. Wipro shows up, we will add some of those questions. These are all of the different modules that we're going to do, which get unlocked the moment you pay and start. Some students have already started and they are already doing things, and they are already on the leaderboard and getting marks as well and getting points. So don't be left out, right? Also just wanted to show you that we have mentors as well, so you can see there are mentors. I have 3 mentors online who are there to help me if any doubts arise, and there are other mentors as well. You can ask them any questions too if you ever get any doubts. So yeah, that's about it. Don't delay. We have a pretty short notice. We're going to start the sessions right from 12th July, Monday 12th July. So yeah, do join. And if you have any doubts or questions, let us know in the comments below. Happy to help you out on that front. And do reach out to us at team@edyst.com or WhatsApp us. The number is also in the description below for any doubts or questions. Thanks all for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe this channel, share this video with anybody you think will be beneficial or will be benefited from this kind of a placements specific program. All right, thanks everybody for joining today. I am looking forward to seeing you join our classes and learn firsthand from us. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you all next time. Thank you.